Shri Gurudev. Welcome to Physics online class. Let us solve the square problem again today. Let me read the problem. ABCD is a square of side 2 cm. Charges of plus 5 nanocoulomb, plus 10 nanocoulomb and minus 5 nanocoulomb are placed at the corners A, B and C respectively. What is the work done in transferring a charge of plus 5 microcoulomb from D to the point of intersection of diagonals? Point of intersection of diagonals means it is the center of the square. So first write down the given data. Q1 is equal to plus 5 nanocoulomb, that is 5 into 10 power minus 9 coulomb. Q2 is equal to 10 nanocoulomb. Q3 is equal to minus 5 nanocoulomb. And what is the side? Side is 2 centimeter, and convert this into meter, that is 0.02 meter. Cent is 10 power minus 2 or divided by 100. If you divide 2 by 100, you will get 0.02 meter. Now draw the diagram. Draw a square. Say AB, CD, A, Q1, B, Q2, C, Q3, and the side is 2 centimeter. Draw the diagonal and take the intersection of diagonal as O. And first we have to calculate the diagonal, length of the diagonal, and the method is AC is equal to BD is equal to root 2 into side, that is equal to root 2 into 0.02 meter. And how to calculate the half of the diagonal? It is OA equals OB equals OC equals OD. Because it is a square, diagonals will be equal and half of the diagonal will be same. Root 2 into 0.02 divided by 2 meter, half of it. Let me calculate the value. Zero 0.028 meter. This is 0.014 meter. Next step is to calculate the potential at O and potential at D, because in order to move a charge from one point to another point, there should be a potential difference. So to calculate the potential difference, first we will find out the potential at two different points, that is O and D, because we are moving the charge from D to O. That is why we should first know what is the potential at D and then at O, isn't it? Now after calculating VO and VD, we have to subtract it to get the potential difference. So first calculate VO. VO is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by, so VO is the potential at the center, or you can say point of intersection of diagonals, where there will be a potential due to the charge q1, q2 and q3, and the distances will be from q1 it is OA, from q2 it is OB, plus from q3 it is OC, and we have the values substituting. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 power 9. q1 is 5 into 10 power minus 9 divided by 0.014. OA is 0.014 plus q2 is 10 into 10 power minus 9 divided by 0.014 plus, here it is minus, then plus into minus, directly I will write it as minus 5 into 10 power minus 9 divided by 0.014, isn't it? And we have the denominators same in all the factors. We can directly do the arithmetic addition or subtraction here. Arithmetic calculation ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, -5 plus 5 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. The left is 10 into 10 power minus 9 divided by 0.014. 9 into 10 power 9, 10 into 10 power minus 9 divided by 0.014. Okay. Then this is equal to, if you calculate it, you'll get it is 10 power 9 minus 9 get cancelled. You have 6428.5 volts, that is VO. In the same way, we have to calculate the potential at D, and that is taken as VD. So what is the formula for VD? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 divided by, see here, the potential at D is due to the charge Q1, Q2 and Q3. And what is the distance of the charge Q1 from the point D? It is the side, which is equal to AD, plus Q2 divided by BD, plus Q3 divided by CD. Substitute the values. We have 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 power 9. Q1 is 5 into 10 power 9. What is AD? AD is the side. And what is the side? 0.02 plus Q2 is 10 into 10 power minus 9 divided by, what is BD? BD is the diagonal, and we have calculated BD. How much it is? 0.028. Plus is there, but we have a negative charge, so plus of minus is minus 5 into 10 power minus 9 divided by the distance CD is again the side of the square, and it is 0.02. Again plus and minus both are having the same value, get cancelled, and we have how much? 0.028 into 9. me write in the next step. 9 into 10 power 9 into 10 into 10 power 9 minus 9 divided by 0 to 8. Here 9 and minus 9. See, I have cancelled only because we have a multiplication over there. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಪ್ಲಸ್ಸು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ಸು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ 10 ಪವರ್ಸ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಲ್ ದ 10 ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್, ದೆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆರ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಸೇಮ್ 10 ಪವರ್ಸ್. Okay, then only you can do the calculation part. Here, since we have the multiplication between two factors, then we can directly cancel it out, because during the multiplication of 10 powers, the powers will get added. That is the algebraic sum. Algebraic sum andre plus idre plus ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, minus idre minus ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So ಆಗ +9 -9 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 10 ಪವರ್ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 10 ಪವರ್ 0 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ 1 ಅಂದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ? 9 ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ 10 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 0.028 ಇಂಟು 9 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 3214.2 volt. So now we have calculated the potential at point O and potential at point D due to the three charges Q1, Q2 and Q3. Now we have to calculate the potential difference. So potential difference andre enagutte? V is equal to VO minus VD agutte. So what is VO? It is 6428.5 minus 3214.2 volts, isn't it? So V is equal to, let me write here also if it is not visible for you. V is equal to VO minus VD, that is equal to 6428.5 minus 3214.2, and this is you have 3214.3 volts. V is equal to, now we have to calculate the work done. So once we have got the potential difference, it is very easy to calculate the work done to transfer a charge from one point to another point. And what is the formula for it? The formula is W is equal to V into Q, isn't it? And what is V? We have calculated here 3214.3. So which charge we have to transfer? 5 microcoulomb. What is the value of micro? 10 power minus 6. And do the calculation now. 3214.3 into 5. And it is 16071.5 into 10 power minus 6. Or you can also shift the point, and it is you can shift towards the left. If you take 160.715 into 10 power minus 5 joules. Work done is measured in terms of joules. So this is how you have to solve this type of problem, and it is very easy. Though it is a lengthy problem, but it is very easy. Only you have to remember with the steps. Whenever you get a problem based on the square in the electrostatic potential chapter, First, you have to find out the length of the diagonal and half of the diagonal. How do you find the length? A very simple method is there, that is root 2 into side. If you forget this, you can calculate the diagonal by using the Pythagoras theorem, because when you draw the diagonal, half of the square will become a right angle triangle and the diagonal will be the hypotenuse. Then using the Pythagoras theorem, you can calculate the diagonal and that gives the hypotenuse distance length. And if you divide it by 2, you will get the length of the distance between the center and the point where we have kept the charges. And after finding out these distances, we can find out the potential at O and potential at D by considering the proper distances. You should not get confused with this distance, because during VO or V0, we will find out the potential by considering the half of the diagonal, and during VD there is AD, BD and CD. That is for the two charges we will consider the sides, and the charges at the charge at B will be the distance of the diagonal. So you should not get confused with that. You have to substitute the distances properly. Then you will get VO and VD. When you subtract it, you will get the potential difference. When you get the potential difference, that potential difference multiplied with the charge which has to be moved, transferred from D to O, will give the amount of work done for the purpose. Okay, and I hope you understood this problem. I'll give you the assignment based on these type of problems. In the next class, we'll solve the problems based on the capacitances. Thank you.